Goodbye, my empty heart. The ship takes you away, far from me. Yes, I knew from the start you were not the one to protect me. Between the sky and ground, I can't see any lines that divide us, and it's so beautiful. Oh, you don't belong to me. I will never lose you. Now you can't fly. You won't see me or my tears. You can sail away free anywhere. Goodbye, my empty smile. Don't tell me how it ends. Only time knows. I felt your hand in mine, but wind tells me to let you go. Beyond the coldest rain, there must be something I can believe in. Slowly once again, but I'm bleeding inside. Or where should I go without you? If I hide in my silence, you'll never know I miss you. Between the sky and ground, I can't see any lines that divide us. And it's so beautiful. Though you don't belong to me, I'll never lose you. Now you can fly. Just remember this, my dear. You can sail away free anywhere.